Hey, I'm Guy Cordell, founder and CEO of Intelligent Design Manufacturing. We're here to introduce the X-Scrub Max 34, which is a true 34-inch cleaning pad that takes 17-inch pads, 26.5-gallon solution tank, 29-gallon recovery tank, automatic floor scrubber. This is the perfect machine for a grocery store, for your school, auto dealer, or for a warehouse. It's super easy to operate. It's got a one-touch auto button that has an actuated brush deck. It'll drop the brush to the floor. It'll turn the water flow on. It'll turn the brushes on. Then we've got a lever to drop the squeegee to the floor. Once we do that, we dial in our speed, hit the paddle, everything comes on, and you're off to the races. We come with standard headlights. So as we're cleaning at night, when you're running half bank of lights or it's hard to see areas, these headlights make it easy for the user to use. We've got a magnetic brush system on it, so it's easy just to pop the button, drop the pad or brush to the floor, slide it out from the side. You're gonna change out the brush or pad driver, put it back in, magnets are gonna pull it right up to the hub. On the vacuum system, we've got a heavy debris tray on this unit. This heavy debris tray is gonna catch all of our hair, big debris, those types of things that we miss from dust mopping. And then we also have a float limit switch inside the recovery tank. That float limit switch is gonna shut the vacuum motors completely off whenever the dirty water gets so high. If you'd like to see a demo of the X-Scrub Max 34 at your facility today, give us a call or scan the QR code below. We'd love the opportunity to earn your business.